Why is writing difficult? Well, what is writing? Writing is the act of taking ideas from our head and putting them on paper in a clear, logical manner. If our words are not put on paper clearly and logically, then we've just written gibberish. So, in regard to our kids, let's say they've just been given a story to read or an article or a poem, and they do so, and they're given a writing prompt, and they're asked to write about what they've just read. Well, they've got all these great ideas in their head, but where do these ideas go on the paper? How do our kids organize their ideas? Let me show you what we do with the Barron method. With the Barron method, each sentence has a color to it. For instance, the topic sentence or claim is blue. So what this student did was she wrote a claim and then she added a supporting detail, and then she knew that her evidence is green, so she added her evidence. Her analysis is red. Then she wanted to add more evidence, another idea, and she wrote that, and then finally she ended up with some more analysis. So what we want to do for our kids is help them get their ideas on paper clearly and logically, but we want to show them where their ideas go on the paper. And as they get better at writing, they won't need a guide like this, and they can write more clearly and they can write more complexly as time goes by. So why is writing difficult? Well, it's hard to get those ideas from our head onto the paper clearly and logically, but we help them by helping our kids organize their ideas. I'm Greg Barron. Thanks for watching. Happy writing.